Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of the Foodie vlog. So this morning I was going through my Instagram feed and I came across this picture of chicken tandoori which gave me some major cravings and I thought क्यों ना आज घर पे ही बनाए. So today for my lunch I'm gonna make chicken tandoori without the tandoor. It's very easy to make. It's a little time consuming because you have to keep it in the refrigerator for some while before you actually grill it. So but it's definitely worth it and it's definitely worth a try. So let's start cooking. Okay, so I have 2 pieces of chicken here and I'm gonna slit them from between so that all the masala gets into it. Next I'm gonna squeeze some lemon and I'm gonna coat it nicely with the chicken. Once it's coated well with the lemon, we'll start making the marinade. So for that, we need about 1 bowl of curd, fresh curd. This is homemade. We always make curd at home and we don't actually buy it. Add about 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder, coriander powder, some turmeric, very little, and cumin powder, which is jeera powder. And now I'm going to mix all of this together to form a nice paste. You can also add red food color if you like. If you want to give the chicken a nice color, you can add, but I'm not going to add it. I'm going to keep it as natural as possible. Now I'm going to add some kasuri methi and I'm going to mix it again. In the end, we'll add another teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it again. As you can see, we have a nice paste here and now we're going to coat the chicken with this. Add this in here. I'm going to coat it nicely with the marinade. Make sure that it reaches the insides also. That's why we made the slits. The chicken is nicely coated. I'm going to cover this and I'll let it rest for about 3 to 4 hours. You can also refrigerate it overnight. So I've removed the chicken from the refrigerator. I left it for 4 hours inside the refrigerator and it's time to fry this now. I'm going to heat a pan and once it is heated, I'm going to add some butter. So this is about 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to add some oil. Once it is heated, it's time to add the chicken pieces to it. I'm going to fry this until it becomes golden brown. You don't have to add more oil. You just have to pan fry it. After about 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to flip this. I left the chicken for about 7 minutes on medium flame and as you can see it has changed color. I'm going to take it out in a plate before we get to the main part. Coming to my favorite part, which is grilling the chicken. So the first step is to brush some oil over this. I'm going to place the chicken on top of it. And I'll brush the chicken also with some oil. I switched on the gas flame and I just warmed the stove. And I placed the chicken on top of it. I'm going to place the other piece as well. coat this one with some oil. Now I'm going to switch on the flame and I'm going to let it grill for some time. After grilling one side, we're going to flip the chicken and we're going to grill the other side. Make sure the gas is on low flame, not high flame. This is basically to give the chicken a nice smoky flavor. As you can see, the chicken is done and I'm going to plate it now. So this is how it looks. They've turned out amazing.